Welcome everyone to Planet Papas. Tonight, after 3 hardcore nights of non-stop rain, we finally get to walk around the streets of Samui. Now with the floods, I've done 2 videos live, so if you want to watch how bad the floods were in Samui, watch those on my channel. But tonight, we are going to the 1-year anniversary of my favorite restaurant on Fisherman's Village called Charm. Let's take a drive around the island first and then head to Charm. So, it's gonna be you, me, let's go! I did film this today, which is December 15th. This is the 3rd straight day of rain, but it finally came almost to an end. Village. Whoa, Benrak Beach. Not looking so lovely today. And these are the roads heading off of the Benrak area of Fisherman's Boput area. Oh yeah, so it's Boput. A lot of sand has come down to the roads. Here we are very close to Yui. And on the left side will be Secret Garden. Now these guys always get flooded badly every season. It's one of the worst roads on Samui and they can't fix it. It's just in a ditch, so there's nothing much you can do. So Secret Garden on the left side, where all the locals love to go to on a Sunday. The live bands. A few days ago this area was closed. Couldn't come through at all. PT Hostel. Cheap coconuts, cheap eats, only for 50 baht. There are some boats going to the full moon party. Whoa, surprised. I'm not going. So on the left side you have all the ports, and especially this side is for the full moon party, so it's easier to get across. Only 18 minutes to get there, right off the shores of all the Benrak area. Passing you changed the name to The Culture. Gotta find out why later on. A newer opening is Bar 79. We did a review of that on their seasonal open. Now driving around Big Buddha area, Boput. We are where we knew the flooding is going to start and end, in Chiang Mai. One of the worst areas to get flooded every season, as well as that area in Bangkok in front of the Blind Tiger and Secret Garden. And we continue. Shengmong, let's go have a look at the beach. Let's see how bad it is. We are going to go through the carnival, which is closest to the water. There is a spot we can go through for free, but we're going to go through the carnival, see what's going on Shengmong Beach. Have a nice swim in the pool. Shengmong Beach is usually flat and beautiful. Let's see how it looks today. Sawadee. Holy moly, that's a little brown. Sawadee, how are you? Good, good, good. Good thing about this place, they always clean up the beach, making sure it's ready for any part of the season.
Hello, Markus here from Finland. Checking out the beach. The weather is not so great today, but I have the best man in Samuii with me.
Coming around the corner, still in Shengmong. Whoa! Hip hop parade! Oh, oh. I'm splashing people. Great to see the rain is finally stopped after 1 hour. It is almost 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So it stopped around 2 p.m. Still raining, a touch. Now coming up to the Hyatt. The Hyatt has a lower road here, always flooded when the rain starts. Let's see how it is at the moment. Oh, not so bad, but you can tell there was quite a bit of damage from it.
Flowing down from that hill.
Yeah. Nice. In the flooded area between Shengmong, coming in to Chaweng Beach Road. Oh. And the rain has come back in Chaweng, right in front of Samuii Raya, and coming into Sala. Oh no, the rain has come back. We should be coming up to the worst part of Chaweng when it does flood or when it rains quite heavily. It'll be on the corner just before the one-way street. And this is it, La Vita. Always in front of La Vita and Samui Natan. Yesterday was all flooded. Oh, the coconuts have come. Back on the main road of Chaweng Beach. Unbelievable. The rain has come back on the main street of Chaweng Beach Road in front of Dara. But no floods. We are in the hub of it all. Raincoats. Rain, rain, rain. Nothing good. Everybody's just relaxing, having some coconuts, watching some sports, and making the best of it for the next, I think it's going to be 2 more nights. As we pass the Arc Bar. And this is where we stop. back at the plaza, Central Samui. It is very busy here because it has not stopped raining again. So we're going to spend a couple hours here, have some drinks, enjoy the afternoon, and then head to dinner back at Fisherman's tonight. Here we are at Fisherman's Village. It is Friday night. Usually it's very packed here, but because of the rain, there's not much going on, and a big surprise we're going to show you now. But this is tented area, which is different. So when it does rain, you can still have some music, have some fresh coconuts to drink while you grab your things on a stick. But this is the first time I've ever seen this on Fisherman's Village, because it rained so much. Some of the vendors did not show up, and that is very odd. Even the rib man is not here. So only certain vendors came tonight just because they knew there was going to rain all night long. But we got lucky. It didn't rain since 6 p.m. And now we're going to be walking all the way to Charm for their first year celebration. And here we are at the end of Fisherman's Village for the celebration of the first year of Charm. They're a little busy. We came early around 6 o'clock and they're already busy at the moment, so that's good news. And just to give you an idea how the food is, Renata was on Master Chef. She has some great, amazing signature dishes that we love so much. Always come back if you are looking for an amazing, different type of fusion. Definitely Thai fusion. I recommend all of it. But I'll give you a list of what I like right now. We always start with the lab tods, which is crispy deep fried pork balls. My favorite. So much flavor in just one little dish. And the rest of my favorites I'm going to show you at the end of this video while I eat them. And the restaurant's set up like a garden. And it has been raining the past 3 or 4 days, so it's a good, perfect place to keep dry. Tonight, Helen went vegetarian, trying a dish called Kinako no Kamamishi. It is a fantastic jasmine rice hot pot with mushrooms and vegetables. In my main event, every time I come here, it's the blackened miso red snapper, served on a bed of Asian vegetables. Perfection. And the only thing to end off this night perfectly is this dessert. It is Renata's signature dish, which is the chocolate fondant with raspberry sorbet. Look what I can do. Look. Oh, chocolate fountain. That's why this is the best meal in Fisherman's Village. And that's gonna do it for tonight. So happy anniversary to Charm and many, many, many more. And tonight did not go to the full moon party. Hopefully we're back for the January one. So thank you for joining me here today on Planet Papas. We'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully with no rain. So don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell, tell your friends, tell the whole bunch, tell Chico down the street to change his face. You gots to change your face when you get to Samui. Now I let you slide a little bit the last couple days because it was raining so much, but when the sun comes back, you change that face. So take care and see you here all very soon.